Good morning, family. I hope you're having a beautiful day today. I just wanted to share this is a gladiola. It's one of my late bloomers. Yeah, she is. She came up in the front of the house, and yep, she's gorgeous. Also, this morning, family, I wanted to share with you all. This is a botanical interest round zucchini. Now, I have never dropped a round zucchini before, but here she is. So this is my first time dropping a round zucchini from Botanical Interest, and here she is. Now I've had many more blooms on this little plant, but the rain kind of beat it down. But this one hung on. Um, so there's a lot of seeds that I do like to drop just for the first time because I've never dropped them before. And this is one of them for this season. A beautiful round zucchini. Now I'm gonna harvest her sometime today, and we are going to test that thing out. We're gonna test that thing out. But I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'm just going to share just some of the things that's going on in my garden. Of course, you know I'm dropping seeds, y'all, and I'm just sharing what seeds I'm dropping this season. All right, let's get on with it. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all having a wonderful, wonderful day. Really, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's because it rained almost all night, and the rain just stopped, family. It just stopped. And I was happy that it stopped. That's my day. That's my day. But anyway, I'm just sharing with you all some of the seeds I dropped with you all. These are my spicy globe basil. That's them coming up. But yeah, I love these basils. And when they get a little bit bigger, you will see how uniform and beautiful they are. But they also smell so good from here. Yeah. This is another container I have of basil. Now I dropped these seeds early in the spring, and they are still just doing great. But they are babies from the original one. But you know how basil grow. But anyway, that's them. Also here I have some more seeds that's coming up. I dropped with you all. It's in the last video I just did, but those are the seeds. They're coming up right there, and I just have them sitting out here on this bed. Today I'm gonna drop some more seeds. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. So this is in another bed I have here, and I'm gonna plant this. There's 2 moringas in here. I'm gonna plant them at the foot of this bed right here. Now these are some kohlrabis I just put in the beds, and they're doing well. I put them there maybe about 2 days ago. They're doing well, and I see something have been eating on this one, but I'm gonna find out. I have some plants growing in this one and this one. Yeah, so they all doing really good. And I have more in cups. I just set them here just to see how they like it and if I want to put them here, right? This is my pepper plant. This is they're doing good. I'm gonna harvest more. I made a blend. I dehydrated them. My son loved that hot stuff. Yeah, I don't like it, but if he like it, I'm gonna grow it. So back here is my Jamaican sorrel, my corn. Here is some turmeric. That is just Zena's just decided to jump off in the pot. But anyway, that's some more turmeric back there. Yeah. So this is that Egyptian spinach, and wow, she's really tall, and there's 2 containers of Egyptian spinach in there. They're both doing good. Egyptian, and that's you know she can handle this heat. She don't mind this heat. Yeah. Here is an update on my butterfly peas. Here they are, family. They're doing really good. They're making a lot of beans. Beans are coming up everywhere, and that's really good. But we also have some eggplants in here, and they making, they're growing. Eggplants are really growing. And the beans are getting fat too. Look at that. Let's see. Here's a bean right here. Oh yeah, she's fat. You could feel them. And that's really good. So we got a lot coming up, and they're doing real good. There's more beans here. So I'm just hoping they hold on until they can make these beans, because every time it rains I have to come out here and yeah, she's leaning. She don't fall, but she's leaning. But I'm just hoping that she hold on, right? Yeah. So let me say this. My body is saying, this is what my body is saying to me. The rain is not finished, right? It's not finished raining yet. So, ooh, big bumblebee. But I'm going to drop some of these seeds. I want to drop, I'm going to drop these. I'm going to drop this one, a couple of those, and I want to drop I want to drop more of Romanesco. I need to drop that today too. Let's drop some of that. So I know some of the things already dropped because the packs are open. So I tried to start with a new. Yeah, see, like this one, I didn't drop that. That is that red Brussels sprout. So I want to drop that. That's the one I want to drop. I want to drop the Romanesco today, August 2nd. We're going to drop her in this blue container I have here. Let me open it, okay? All right, so this is my Romanescos, and I'm just going to drop them all in here. I just try to space them a little bit, but of course, you know, they will not live their life in here. No. So now I'm just going to cover them up. So this is a moringa. That's a moringa tree right there. And that's curry tree back there. I found out she didn't like it over there by the plantain. So I put her over here. And this is the largest moringa tree that I have in my garden today. And yep, she is really tall. So hopefully she gets as big as she wanna get, right? So that's her. And this is my fence, and this is how tall she is. So she's a really tall tree. Doing well. Let's see if I can make it bigger. No, he's sitting. Yeah, she's big. She's just chilling. I don't know what she's looking for, but probably she's looking for food. So Ben brought a lot of my soil over here for me. Let's see. That's gorgeous. All right, so this is, I dropped a couple of these seeds here this morning. I also dropped some of this. This is my dill that I grew, and these are my seeds. So I just dropped some over here. So anyway, family, that's it for today. Now I'm going to harvest some of these peppers so I can dehydrate them for my son. Yeah, let's get some of these peppers. They look beautiful. So this is my papaya tree. Yeah, I broke this limb. It was sitting over there under the plantain trees, and when I knocked them down, baby, they all came down. So this papaya tree is a Mexican papaya Sunrise Trading Company incorporated in Kenner, Louisiana. Kenner. So Kenner is, yeah, it's not that very far. It's in um, Metairie is next door to them. I know where Kenner is. Yeah, but anyway, I'm going to repot my little papaya tree that I bought a couple of days ago, maybe last week or so. And I wanted to uppot her from this tiny little pot she's in, and I'm gonna put her in this pot. So give me a second. So this is the way her roots look. Yeah, she was ready to come out of there, but you know, it's not bad. So let's get her out and get her in this other pot here I got. All right, so here she is sitting over here by the lemon and fuyu persimmon. Yeah, so she's sitting right here. We'll see how she like it here. You know, if she like it. There's a pear tree here. I put some black cow, a layer of black cow in there, and on the top is compost, Kellogg's. Yeah, I gave her some fertilizer, and I'm gonna give her some super juice and 511. Then we're gonna call it a night. Let's see, what is that? Okay. So I may put a stake in her. She was leaning on one of the plantain trees, so she got this curve in her, but as soon as the sun hit her, she'll straighten up. She'll point at it, yeah. All right, guys. So family, I'm still out here after the rain, and I'm cleaning one of my beds, and she is really, really overgrown, right? So this is the bed that I had ground cherries growing in. Yeah, and let me tell you, just as last year they kind of reseeded themselves and came back in this bed, they will do it again in the spring because there is a lot. Look at this. You see that? That is ground cherries. And in these little sacks, right, there is seeds. Yeah. But I'm pulling the weeds up, right? And I began to smell something very strong and familiar. Yeah, the scent is familiar. It's a pleasant scent. I'm like, man, where is she? And there she is right there, y'all. This is her right here. Who she is? She's turmeric. Another turmeric plant. My God. I don't know where they all come from. Oh man, look at this. So this, look at that. Y'all see that? Yeah, it's a stink bug. There's up. But we're gonna do something about this one. They may have many more, but we're gonna take care of this one here. But that is a stink bug, and it looks like one of those what they call a southern stink bug, right? But yeah, say goodnight, baby. So I shared this with you all before, but I'm gonna share it again for those who didn't see it. There it is right there. Oh, where is it? Oh boy. Oh, there it is right there. So this is a mold cricket. Y'all see him? Yeah, it's a mold cricket, and he just dig like tunnels in the soil. Yeah, there he is. It's a ground cherry, dude. But anyway, yep. It's a mold cricket. Now, I tried not to. He all right, though. He all right. I tried to not uproot my turmeric. Oh, look at there. You see that? But it came up anyway. So I'm going to try to just plant it back and see if it'll stay. All right, let's see. Yeah, I still have lots of. So this mission is accomplished. This bed is clean. Now I need to mend it. I'm gonna put more compost, black cow, and peat in here. And I'm gonna put some amendments. I'm gonna put some super juice in it. There it is. And some 511. And then I'll figure out what I'm gonna drop in this bed. But this side is complete now. This side is a whole nother story, y'all. So first of all, I have this mulberry tree growing in it, and I'm gonna take her down. I got to. She is just too big for this space. She's just too big. So she just popped up over spring. I had her, she was a little stick, just a little stick. And before I knew it, it was all over, just all over. So I got to get her down. And I'm going to chop her down, or Ben going to chop her down, one of us, but she going to be gone. I got her. All right, y'all. I'm going in the house now. Yeah. I hope you all had a wonderful time here with me today. I hope you picked up something that could help you in your garden, right? So tomorrow, guys, we're going to go over to see Mr. George. Yeah, we're going to talk to him about the heat and dropping seeds and just get his opinion on what's going on, all right? And yeah, tomorrow evening, I'll clean this bed. Yeah. All right, guys. Y'all have a great evening. Later, y'all.